Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Widen Collective for scalable brand approvals, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin subscribing to Widen Collective for scalable brand approvals, navigate to the Widen Collective website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on that button to access the subscription options. Review the different subscription plans available to determine which one best fits your organization's needs. You will be directed to a registration form where you need to enter your company details. Fill in the required information, such as your company name, email address, and contact number. Next, provide any additional details that may be required, such as your role within the organization. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy to ensure a smooth registration. Click the Submit button to send your registration request. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your request. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account and activate your subscription. Once your account is activated, log in using the credentials you created during registration. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and explore the available features. To set up scalable brand approvals, navigate to the Brand Approvals section from the dashboard. Configure your approval workflow according to your organization's requirements. Add team members who will participate in the approval process by inviting them through their email addresses. Set roles and permissions for each team member to streamline the approval process effectively. Finally, test the workflow by submitting a sample asset for approval to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. With these steps completed, you are now ready to utilize Widen Collective for scalable brand approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.